Hey you guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and happy Candle Day Eve. So you guys, tomorrow starts Bath & Body Works Candle Day sales. So 3-wick candles, these guys are going to be on sale for $8.95 each, and you guys, you can stack coupons with them. So this is the lowest price you're going to find Bath & Body Works 3-wick candles, even lower than the semi-annual sale, you guys. So you can take advantage of this in store, and you can take advantage of it online. So if you're going to go online, there's going to be a code that's going to change the price of all of your candles to $8.95. There's going to be free shipping when you spend a certain amount, and you can get 1% cash back through rebates. Now, you cannot stack other promo codes online. So if you want more bang for your buck, you guys, you need to go and do this in store. So first thing I would suggest you guys do is call your local Bath & Body Works and ask them what time they are opening. So Nicole mentioned to me earlier today that her Bath & Body Works is opening up at 5 a.m. you guys. So definitely call your local Bath & Body Works and ask them what time they're opening. So there are going to be some coupons you could take advantage of. Definitely check out retailmenot.com in the morning time. The current coupon that's available for the general public is 20% off your total purchase, but that's going to expire tonight. So there's going to be a new coupon that's likely to issue out tomorrow. So definitely check back on retailmenot.com tomorrow to see what the new coupon is, if there's going to be a coupon to go live. But definitely check out for your mailer coupons and other in-store coupons you may have gotten when you shopped Black Friday, if you shop Black Friday at Bath & Body Works. You guys may have a free gift with a $10 purchase, and the free gift can be anything $13.50 or lower. So with this coupon, you cannot get a free 3-wick candle for that free gift, because it has to be something that is regularly priced $13.50 or lower. So you can't get something that's a sale price. You have to look at the sticker underneath the product and see what the regular price is. So just keep that in mind. And then there's also some dollar off coupons that were also attached in these mailers too. So there's a 5 off 20 coupon, there's a 10 off 30, or a 15 off 40 coupon. So you can stack coupons with this $8.95 sale. So this is a really great time to go ahead and take advantage of this sale. Okay, so let's just do a little bit of math right here. So if you have that 15 off 40 coupon, what you would do is buy 5 candles for $44.75, take $15 off, so now you're at $29.75 divided by 5. You're looking at $5.95 per candle, and these are regularly like $22 to $24, which is great. And then if you live in a state that has a Bath & Body Works app, so this is my smartphone right here, and this is my Bath & Body Works app. If you have not downloaded this, you need to, because there is a barcode that you scan right here and you earn points. And when you get to $75 in rewards, then you get a free gift. And it's a free gift of like a $14.50 value or $16.50 value, something like that. And then there's also coupons that you can take advantage of too inside of your app as well. So if you have not signed up for Bath & Body Works app, you definitely need to. I know it's just in select states, but this is a great way to earn some rewards and earn some freebies. So another tip I'm going to give you guys is signing up for the rebate app called Ibotta. So Ibotta is a cashback rebate. So when you purchase certain items and you submit your receipt, then you get cash back. When you submit your first receipt, you're going to get $10 on your first redemption. And this typically happens instantly. So if you are not signed up for Ibotta, you definitely need to sign up, because you can cash out and get Bath & Body Works gift cards. Ibotta, I'll have a link below. Definitely sign up. If you're not a member of Fetch Rewards, sign up. You get a free 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. So I'm going to leave both of those in the description box for you guys to go ahead and sign up. If you're not a member of rebates, you definitely need to sign up for rebates, because if you shop online, you're going to earn 1% cash back if you shop bathandbodyworks.com. So now I'm going to get into how you can gift wrap your candles to make them a little bit more fun and a little bit more festive. So now let's get into the little DIY. This is super easy, you guys. So all you need to do is put your candle in the center, and then you're just going to bring your wrapping up just like that. And then I'm going to do I think I'm gonna do 2 layers of this. Just like that. And then I'm gonna secure it with some ribbon. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and secure this with some ribbon. I just got my ribbon from Michael's. You can use any type of ribbon. You could even use some tape if you would like. So this is what it's gonna look like right here. And then you can start like pulling apart some of the tissue right here. And then I'm gonna go in with some puffy poms. What are these called? Pom-poms. So I got these from the dollar. So I got these from the craft section at Target. You could probably get them cheaper from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the big yellow one to start, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of hot glue. And this is going to be the star of my tree. So now I'm just gonna start gluing on the pom-poms to create a Christmas tree, basically, is what I'm doing. Christmas tree, and this is just a way to like spruce the gift up just a little bit more. So I think this came out super cute. So for this next little candle wrapping, I'm gonna turn this into a snowman. So all you're gonna need are 3 little pom-poms from your pack, and you're just gonna go ahead and just glue down some buttons on your actual candle. Now you could cover this in white if you would like to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and glue down some buttons right here. Just like that. You can add a little hat if you want to. And then I'm gonna take my craft ribbon right here and make a little scarf is what I wanna try to do. And then I'm gonna tie this to make it look like a scarf. All right, so if you wanted to, you could go ahead and stop right here, up just a little bit more. And I'm gonna make like ear muffs on this one. So alrighty, so I made this into a little snowman with his buttons and the ear muffs. So I thought this one turned out really cute as well. So I'm gonna turn my final one into a reindeer. So I really loved this wrapping that I found from Target. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch this together because I thought that this was really cute because it had the different reindeer names on it. And I'm gonna use a little bit more ribbon. Okay, so I'm gonna make some purple antlers because that is all I have. So I went ahead and just secured them. So this is gonna be the start of them. And then I'm gonna take another pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And then I'm gonna cut it in half again. And then I'm just going to attach it just like that. All right. So we have one little antler, and then second little antler. Okay. So, you know, this doesn't have to be perfect because it's the red nose that's really going to, you know, make this wrapping. So once they see the red nose, they're gonna know it's a reindeer. And obviously get some brown pipe cleaners if you would like, but I was just working with the colors that they had at Target. I didn't want to make a special trip. Okay, so these are my antlers right here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue on a big red nose. And you have yourself a little Rudolph wrapping. So I think this is super cute. To recap, we have a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We have a Christmas tree. And we have a cute little snowman. So I just wanted to bring you guys a fun way that you can go ahead and wrap your gifts. So if you are purchasing candles on Candle Day, this would be a really cute way that you could go ahead and wrap up your candles. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and happy Candle Day Eve, everyone. And I hope you all have a fantastic day with whatever you're doing, and get those arm muscles from lifting all of those candle bags. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.